In this video, I will show you about the folding functions in Strype, which will become useful when your programs become a bit longer. So let's look at this program here in Strype, for example, where I have a number of functions here that take up quite a lot of space. And these functions are all ready. I don't need to work on them anymore. And then here in the My Code section at the end, that is where I want to write some code, or that's where I want my students to write some code. And so all this, the implementation here of the functions gets in the way. So what I can do then is I can fold in the functions. I have here, when I hover over them, this little circle icon on the function definition frame. And if I click this, then the function collapses to just the header. And if I click it repeatedly, it rotates through three states. I can see either just the header of the function, or I can see the header and the comment, or I can click again, then I see again the full implementation, the header, the comment, and the body of the function. I can do that obviously with all the functions here, so I can do that here as well, reduce this to the header or header and comment, and do that here. If I want to do that to all the functions, I can go to the top, and I have here the control on top of the function definitions in the definition area, where I can apply the folding to all the definitions at the same time. So if I do that here, I click it, all the function definitions are now folded in. I see only the header of the functions, and I can now start my work here, making reference to the function definitions without needing to see the implementation. But if I want to see the comments, because I need them, I can click that again, and I see my functions here with the comments. And again, I can do that individually here, or I can do that for all the functions together. The same also applies when I have class definitions rather than function definitions. So if I open another project where I have a couple of classes, so let's look at this one here. It's a program that uses some object-oriented concepts. So I have here two classes, and I can do the same thing. I can either fold in here with the multi-control in front of the definitions, fold all the classes in, or fold them out. And then I can, within the classes here, fold in the methods within the class if I want to. So I can leave the classes themselves open, folded out, but the definitions within the classes either with the headers only or with the headers and the comments in case I need to refer to the comments of the functions. So here, as before, individual class folding, multiple method folding, individual method folding, or the folding for all classes together. So overall, you have a very flexible folding functionality here that allows you to create a view that is exactly what you need, and then concentrate on the work area where you actually want to do your current implementation.